Have you ever stepped out of the shower and felt your skin getting tight and itchy within minutes? Most people would think, I have really dry skin, I need a better moisturizer. But very often, that's not the real problem. For example, the Atoderm Gel Douche is a soap-free daily body wash meant for dry and very dry sensitive skin. It cleanses your skin without disrupting the barrier so that you don't get that tight, uncomfortable feeling after bathing. When I choose a daily body wash for my patients, I look for three things. It should be soap-free, it should cleanse the skin without stripping the barrier, and it should be suitable for the most sensitive skin types. Atoderm Gel Douche can be used across age groups, adults, children, and people with the most sensitive skin types, which tells us how mild it is intended to be. And that's important because daily use products should be the mildest ones. Quick tips. Use lukewarm water, not hot. Apply gently without the scrubbing tools. And let cleansing support your skin, not fight it. If your skin feels dry after shower, don't just switch moisturizers. Switch to a body wash that respects your skin's ecosystem. Rooted in ecobiology because balance starts at the cleanse.